Now freestyle, it's time to share out this wonderful meal. Look at that. Nice and delicious, guys. I must tell you, freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. So freestyle, I just couldn't wait to taste the oatmeal coconut dumpling. So what I did, I take out one and I'm about to eat it with some butter. Dumpling and butter. Guys, you know about this? Some butter, you know what I mean? And the butter well made down on it, guys. Nothing nice like that. If you know, you know. Yo! Freestyle. Gift is it. So freestyle, here you have it. This is a vibes. Saltfish, green gungo peas, chewed down, and it's just a vibe. Over here, guys, is the oatmeal coconut dumpling with some white yam, sweet potato. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen and it's all about a freestyle kind of menu, a freestyle kind of recipe. But guys, before we go any further, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button and join the movement. And freestyle, remember, each time you subscribe, guys, hit the notification bell that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. Now it's time to cook. Let's go. So it's now time to freestyle, viewers and subscribers. It's all about some green gungo peas cooked down with some saltfish, no meat today. And to go with it, guys, it's all about some oatmeal dumpling with some yellow yam. So just stick and stay, guys. Always a chef up a storm, freestyle way, you know the vibes. So freestyle, it's now time to make our freestyle dumpling. And guys, our dumpling is gonna be oatmeal coconut dumpling or rain freestyle way. So right here, guys, I have my oatmeal in the blender. I have my coconut milk right here, and I have some flour here with some cornmeal in it. So what I'm gonna do freestyle, I'm gonna use the coconut milk and blend the oatmeal, and then I'm gonna use what I blend to knead the flour. So just stay tuned. So we're gonna pour the coconut milk in the blender with the oatmeal, and then we're going to blend. So freestyle, as you can see, guys, I went ahead and I blended the oatmeal with the coconut milk. Right here is my flour. I already added some salt already. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the mixture of the oatmeal and the coconut milk to knead my flour. Just freestyle, so kneading up the flour, guys. And just these are my love when my dumpling well firm and tight. So you know what I mean, put some extra strength in it, make sure it knead up nice and proper. It's all about the oatmeal coconut dumpling for rain freestyle way with some saltfish and green gungo cooked down together. Guys, it's gonna be a vibes. Shout out to Simmering TV. Big up yourself, my boss. I see you got oatmeal dumpling the other day. But freestyle I got oatmeal and coconut. Put a twist to it, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, my general. Respect every time. So here you have it, guys. Dumpling, my flour is completely kneaded, guys. So it's now time for me to go ahead, put on the pot and start the cooking process. So just stay tuned. Freestyle, right here is the recipe for the saltfish and gungo. Right here I have my saltfish, guys. I'm about to put it on the stove for it to cook for probably like about 15 minutes so I can get the salt out of it. And right here is my gungo peas, otherwise known as pigeon peas. So yes, I have my saltfish, I have my pigeon peas, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, black pepper. I have a 1 tomato there, and I think that's about it. Now it's time for me to go ahead and get my season prep. So stay tuned, guys. As you should know, freestyle, I love when my pot is colorful. So right here I'm using 3 different colors. I'm using 3 different color sweet pepper. So freestyle, my natural season is now prepped. As you can see for yourself guys, it's now time for me to go ahead, make the dumplings, put them in the pot. You know the vibes. Yes, freestyle, this is it. So right here is my flour. I'll now go ahead and make my dumplings. This is how I make my dumpling freestyle. I can't do the roll and press, so this is how I do it. Prettiest and cutest you have ever seen. Here you have it. Make my dumplings and put them in the pot. And it's all about the oatmeal coconut dumpling or rain freestyle way. Guys, it's gonna be a vibes. The flavor of the oatmeal, the flavor of the coconut, and I must tell you guys, it's gonna be a vibe. So freestyle, in the meantime I make the dumplings guys. Right there on the other side of the stove is the saltfish cooking down with a piece of scallion, a piece of thyme, a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. You know what I mean? It's all about the flavor. So when you come on to freestyle guys, we're heavy on the season, we're heavy on the flavors, because the food have to have taste and the food have to have flavor. Pot I cook everything I simmer down. Oatmeal coconut dumpling or rain freestyle way. And over here guys, I have the saltfish cooking. As you know, the saltfish is salt, so it's actually getting the second cook. I have to get rid of the salt out of it. So freestyle, I just couldn't wait to taste the oatmeal coconut dumpling. So what I did, I take out one and I'm about to eat it with some butter. Dumpling and butter. Guys, you know about this? So I will now go ahead and taste my oatmeal coconut dumpling to see what's going on with it. Some butter, you know what I mean? Have the butter well made down on it guys. Nothing nice like that. If you know, you know. Yo! Freestyle. This is it. Trust me, this is it. So freestyle, is now time to start the cooking down process of our green gungo and saltfish. And here you have it guys, the saltfish over here, our green gungo peas over here, and our natural season. So it's now time to go ahead guys and start the bang. You know the vibe. So my pot is already hot, and guys, it's all about flavor on top of flavor, because guess what? I'm using the organic coconut oil, and as you know guys, the flavor you get from coconut is a different kind of flavor. So I will go ahead and add my coconut oil. Freestyle. Guys, it's now time for me to go ahead and put my natural season to saute. And as you can see, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, sweet pepper, thyme and tomato, and that's about it. And I must tell you guys, the aroma of the coconut milk guys combined with the natural season, and it's just a whole vibes already. Remember freestyle, the menu is saltfish and gungo peas served with coconut oatmeal dumpling or rain freestyle way. And guys, I must tell you, the aroma is just a vibe. I'm gonna allow my season to stay there and saute. Then we're gonna take it from there, freestyle. Now freestyle, after the sauteing of my natural season, it's now time for me to go ahead and add the saltfish to the pot. So here you have it. Add our saltfish. Then after adding the saltfish freestyle, you want to stir everything together. And as you can see guys, coming along nice and lovely. So it's all about the flavor of the saltfish guys. So you don't want to cook your saltfish too salt, because you want to have that little salty taste to it. So I'm gonna leave it here for probably like about 3 minutes. Then I will add the gungo piece to the pot. Stay tuned. Now freestyle, what I'm about to do now is I'm going to add the gungo piece to the pot. So here you have it. After adding your gungo piece, freestyle, you want to stir everything together. You want to mix everything together like this. So basically guys, it's like a stew. I will now go ahead, add some black pepper. Adding your black pepper, you want to stir everything together guys. Then after stirring everything together guys, you want to put some ketchup. Put a small amount of ketchup. Then you want to stir everything together. Now freestyle, I'm going to cover the pot and leave it there for probably like about 5 to 6 minutes, then it should be completed. So freestyle, here you have it. This is a vibes. Saltfish, green gungo peas, stewed on, and it's just a vibe. Over here guys is the oatmeal coconut dumpling with some white yam, sweet potato. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Now freestyle, I'm about to dish out this wonderful throwback meal, and I must tell you guys, the aroma that is coming from the pot is just a whole vibe. This aroma just make you just wanna dive down and just have a good time. In the meantime guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button, join the movement. Saltfish, gungo peas, stewed on, and it's just a whole vibe. Now freestyle, it's time to share out this wonderful meal. Look at that, nice and delicious guys. I must tell you freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Right here is my stew gungo peas with saltfish. You know the vibes. And over here, white yam, and of course my coconut oatmeal dumpling. Guys, these dumplings, I must tell you, it's a whole vibes. You have never tried it before guys, it's my first time, and I must tell you, it's a vibes. Here you have it. Stew gungo peas with saltfish, coconut oatmeal dumpling, white yam. Freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. So here you have it now freestyle. Dinner is now completed, and it's all about this stew gungo peas with saltfish, served with coconut oatmeal dumpling, yellow yam guys, and I must tell you, it's just a vibe. Freestyle, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button, join the movement. And remember guys, each time you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell, that each time your boy upload a video, you'll be notified. Until next time freestyle, I'm about to enjoy this wonderful meal. Freestyle, this is it. Oatmeal coconut dumpling, stew saltfish and gungo peas. It's the vibe. Guys, if you have never tried it before, you need to. Nice and delicious, full of flavor, and it's just a vibe. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.